Hey there guys, today I'd like to give a shout out to Caleb Dean, my good friend. He asked for a shout out, so I'm giving it to him right now. He deserves it, and yeah, see y'all at the video. Guys, today we're going to be fishing at the lake. We've already done a few casts, nothing so far. Let's get into it. Oh, am I already screwed up? I think I'm stuck. Wait. The heck? You got him? Well, Nathan got the first fish of the day, and I'm still trying to fix my dang rod. Little squeaker. Here, he's going into the bucket. Or not.
Where'd he go?
There's no way. Dang, he got all that crap pretty fast.
Not there.
Oh. Oh God. Dude, my rod's freaking already messed up. No! No! Get him! Lip him, lip him, lip him, lip him. He's a feisty little. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Here. Let me.
Jesus.
Alright, let's get him into the bucket. In the bucket. Oh, crap. Hurts. Oh! Oh my God, it snapped again. Dang, my line's rotten. Dang it, dude, I dragged. You said it. You do? Think I got. No, I don't. Here. Get him then. He's still not in the water?
Yeah,
All right, that's second fish of the day. Another freaking squeaker here. Let me see him. Can we please put him in the bucket?